Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this headpiece on Dresser and Press. It does kind of only show up if you do the mannequin pose though, like some of the items, because if I don't put it on, it's just going to move and it's going to look super weird. But let's get started with the video. You do need VIP for this. Let's get started with this area. I use these hoop earrings, which is this one in gold. You can use any color you want, like any color combination. I just chose gold and red. For the position, Y 2.79, Z 0.51, and scale it to 1. Grab these like bloody earrings and position the Y 2.74, the Z 2.53, and scale it to 1. Grab this necklace here, this one, in the first toggle, position the Y 2.96, X 0.51, Z 0.44, rotate the X to 0.48 and scale it to 1. Then for the hair, I use these 4 combinations. Oops, just added something, I think. No, I didn't. Okay. I added this bow hair, and then this updo, and then these braids, and then I went to the curly one. I added this one. I colored it black. Then for the VIP section, I used this headpiece. Position the Y to 0.59, Z 0.4, rotated the X to 0.55. I also used these roses up here. Position the X to 0.47, Y 0.62, rotated the same and scaled to 0.35. I also used this necklace over here. Position the Y to 0.92, Z 0.28, and scaled it to 1. Lastly, I did use the Runway Diva crown. Enabled the VFX toggle and just scaled it all the way to 0.64. And that is it. You can adjust it a little bit more if you are not doing this pose, but it is going to move a lot because the necklace moves with your head. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.